In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PDF invoices for Shopify store. Full tutorial. First, sign in to your Shopify admin. From the left sidebar, open the Apps section, then choose the option to add more apps. This takes you straight to the Shopify App Store, where we'll find a tool to automatically generate professional PDF invoices for your orders. In the search bar, type PDF invoice and hit enter. You'll see several popular options. The goal here is to quickly compare a few, look at their feature highlights, and then pick one to install. Start by opening the Vify Order Printer PDF invoice listing. On the app page, scroll through the highlights and screenshots to get a feel for the templates, automation options, and how invoices look on desktop and mobile. Check the overview to confirm essentials, like automatic invoice emails, manual downloads, and support for taxes, discounts, and branding. Glance at pricing and reviews to understand limits on orders during a free plan or trial and what real merchants are saying. When you're done reviewing, close the page to return to the search results. Next, open AG Order Printer PDF Invoice. Again, review the highlights the same way: templates, automation, and any notes about localization or multi-currency support. This quick comparison helps you see what each app emphasizes without installing multiple tools. Now, open Order Printer Pro PDF Invoice. Browse the highlights and screenshots, paying attention to ready-made templates, customization options, and whether it supports packing slips, invoices, and credit notes. Look for automatic sending rules tied to order events, along with any limits that apply during the trial. If it fits your needs, proceed to install. Click Install on the app listing. You'll be redirected back to Shopify to approve permissions. Confirm the installation to add the app to your store. After install, the app's Welcome or Setup screen will appear. Work through the brief onboarding by clicking Next on each screen. These steps usually outline what the app will do, how documents are generated, and where to access templates. It's helpful to read these notes so you know where to find invoice settings later, but you can keep moving if you want to set things up afterward. When prompted, start your 14-day free trial. This activates the features so you can generate and email invoices right away. From here, you're ready to use the app inside Shopify whenever you need to print, download, or send a PDF invoice.